All right, guys, so let's analyze Bitcoin together. Okay, so as we can see, this is Bitcoin 12-month chart. That's yearly chart. We have this favor lookup, right? We have this already high broken, right? We have this high already broken. So we got internal liquidity. This favor lookup as internal liquidity attacking to the next pool of liquidity where it's this high. So you can see this is a week, right? It can be a rejection block or any other as we know, wicks are what are gaps also, right? So we can say we will be attacking this CE, right? And then what we just leave the quarters, okay? CE and then the high, okay? That's the all-time high of Bitcoin, right? So we can see this candle high, okay? This bearish candle high is got broken out and then a full close above it, right? So it's an important key level also, right? So let's go to the weekly monthly chart, okay? 1 month chart. So as we can see right here, we got what's at inside this favor lookup. We have this favor lookup at discount intercepting with the what all high, okay? So we have it, we expect it also to support price, okay? So price tap on it, it takes a liquidity before it taps on it, right? And then it takes another high here, right? That's since we are thinking of higher prices, right? So we can call this high as what external liquidity. Then we expect price to come into an internal liquidity, right? We have this order block and then this favor lookup, right? So let's just tap on this favor lookup and order block, and then we have this, we got this favor lookup also, right? We will be expecting from the favor lookup to be targeting some highs, okay? So which literally we have this favor lookup, this premium favor lookups, right? We will be expecting a full closure above it, then higher prices. If we don't have a closure above it, then we won't expect a higher prices, okay? Don't forget about here also we have this, right? We have this, but then we have a full closure above this favor lookup, right? It has to be, it's then turned out to be inversion favor lookup, right? We have this inversion favor lookup. Let's see it, CE. Yeah, we have this inversion favor lookup. You can see how price kept respecting its consequent encouragement, right? So and then we have this favor lookup, we have a full closure above it, right? And then we expect higher prices, which we will be expecting these highs, right? And then this favor lookup, right? So currently we will be expecting a full closure above this favor lookup, right? A full closure above this favor lookup, then we can expect a higher prices to weigh first to this high again. That's this consequent encouragement of the mean threshold of that week, right? That's the middle of the week, right? So we will be expecting a full closure above it also. Now when we have a closure above this favor lookup, then we expect price to we will expect the favor lookup to support price to higher, right? To support price higher. Let's dive in. Let's go to the daily chart, okay? So from the daily chart we can see how the 50% of the favor lookup, that's the consequent encouragement, got broken, right? This is the CE of it, right? And then we have this favor lookup. We have this favor lookup, right? We have this favor lookup. So we can see how price is respecting the favor lookup, right? We took out this liquidity, right? Exactly at the CE of the favor lookup, and then price respect the CE, right? After we took out this favor lookup, price respect to CE, and then we will be attacking this our internal liquidity, will be attacking this external liquidity, right? From the daily chart, right? So we have this we have this daily order block, right? You can see a tap on it, and then what, price shoots up, right? So we will be attacking this high first, right guys? Then what, then this high. So let's check in let's check the weekly chart and see something. From the weekly chart, you can see we have this what, fair value gap also, right? Which I would like to see this fair value gap to be left open. Okay, why? This is a gap also, right? And then what, we have a closure above this gap, right? So all what price can do is just tap on this gap and then what, and then move higher. But for now, I won't like to see that coming. Okay, I will expect to have a closure above this fair value gap. Okay, above this high candle high, and then what, we keep moving higher. Okay, as the market is already aggressive on BTC. And then what next? Let's go to 4-hour time frame. Yeah, from the 4-hour time frame, you can see right here we took out what, these liquidities, right? This loss, we took out the stops below this low, right? This loss, right? This equal loss, we took them out. And then what, we have this high, we have these highs, this high, yeah, it was taken out, right? And then what, all high to support price also, right? And then we have this what, fair value gap. Like to see this fair value gap holds. Then what, we attack this high, this high also, and then the short target should be here, which it was already taken. I share this analysis on Twitter before it happens, right? So yeah, this is what I will be expecting on Bitcoin. And then what, I already took my entry because I already shared this setup on Twitter. Let's check where I took the entry. Here is it. After we tap on this all high, and then what, disrespecting this inversion fair value gaps, right? So I just use this inversion fair value gap right here, and then what, place my stops below it, and then took my entry here below this low, right? My entry is below this low. So yeah, that's at the fair value gap. I increase, I took all these two, and then what, my entry here, my stops below this fair value gap, right? And then I got up to 17 R. This is my first TP right here, second TP right here, and then what, this high at my final TP, that's around 16 point something R. For now, currently I already take first profit at here, right, which is around 4 point something R. And then what, I will be expecting price to tap on this fair value gap, and then what, and then move higher. I would like to see a reaction of this high. Okay, that's what I would like to see for now. So I hope you all will enjoy your weekend, and then I wish us all a profitable week ahead, a peaceful week ahead. So you are all welcome.